Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 groundbreaking scientific discoveries of 2024. From the depths of space to innovations in medicine, these discoveries are set to change our understanding of the world and beyond. Our first discovery takes us to the far reaches of the universe. NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope has identified featherweight black holes with masses similar to Earth. These primordial black holes, formed in the early universe, could hold the key to understanding dark matter and the evolution of galaxies. Next, we turn to our oceans. Researchers have discovered that a common type of ocean algae produces a compound that significantly cools the Earth's climate. This breakthrough highlights the crucial role marine ecosystems play in regulating global temperatures, offering new avenues for climate change mitigation. Have you ever wondered why men and women experience pain differently? New research has uncovered biological differences in how nerve cells generate pain in men and women. This discovery paves the way for personalized pain management treatments, tailored specifically to each sex. Imagine a world where broken glass can heal itself. Scientists have developed a new type of glass made from a simple peptide that can self-heal when exposed to water. This innovation could revolutionize industries, from electronics to construction, by providing more durable and repairable material. Artificial intelligence is making waves in the medical field. In 2024, clinical trials are exploring how AI can improve cancer diagnoses and treatment. These trials aim to enhance the accuracy of cancer detection and the effectiveness of new treatment combinations, potentially transforming oncology. And there you have it, the top 5 scientific discoveries of 2024. These breakthroughs not only advance our knowledge, but also hold the promise of a better future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting science content. Stay curious.